It's a wonderfully hot and humid day here in North Carolina. I'm out here at Rockingham Speedway for round one of NB Drift's grassroots competition series this year in 2022. I like this competition a lot because, well, one, I've driven with them before and I've won, but mainly the reason why I like this competition is because it's a true grassroots. So if you have a pro license, you can't compete, and if you have an expired pro license, you have to petition to compete. On top of that, there is a 245 rear tire width cap to try and level the playing field, and they also do some course layout things to make it good for pretty much everybody. It's probably going to rain later today during the competition, but I'm going to try and get some laps in. I'm not competing today, but I want to come out and have a good time, drive with my friends, get some good tandems in, and see how much better I am after Drift Week, or worse. I don't know. We'll find out. After Drift Week, my car is a little rough looking. I didn't even take the time to put a new taillight in there, but you know, it's good enough. This is the really bad spot right here. Ugh. But I'm gonna go toss my GoPro on my helmet and hop in the car and go get some laps. All right, here we go. All right. I like driving on competition layouts like this that have clips because it gives me an objective to shoot for. Yeah. I like how we have the clips out there. It gives, like, as a driver, it gives me something to shoot for. It gives me an objective, something to, like, improve as a driver. Put my car here, put my car there. I feel like it's something that gets missed a lot in a lot of grassroots events because they don't focus on that. And I think that it's important to have things like that. Sure, when you're doing, you know, fun tandem stuff with your buddies, it's not as big of a deal, but for this, I mean, I really do think that this is totally worth it. I think this is what should be done. So that line they're doing for qualifying, and this line is just for fun. So qualifying drivers for the competition are over here. R32 GTST. Sick. I definitely think my driving has changed since Drift Week. I've got a lot more confidence to run with more angle. That's something I'm not used to, or I didn't used to do, so. have very little grip left, so I feel like either my tires are shot or something. We're gonna go find out. All right, I was right. It did feel a little slick. That tire is done. And the competition is, well, the qualifying for the competition is over in like an hour, so I think I'm just gonna take it easy now. I'm not competing today, so I'm probably just gonna take it easy. Go enjoy the competition. I'll go shoot some video of that, and then we'll drive again at the end of the day, because after the comp, they do fun runs.
Like Aaron was talking last for sausage, like mechanics, whatever, was saying that for a season it's like 60 grand. Skyline GT. Right hand drive.
I just quickly ran over to the Domino's trailer here. Got me a couple of slices of pepperoni pizza. I'm just gonna sit here in my truck and eat because it's way too hot out there. I've got air conditioning in here. Yeah, it's like 90 plus degrees here today at the racetrack, and it's just not fun. So I'm gonna sit here and enjoy the air conditioning, and then I'll grab my other camera in a minute and we'll go run out and take a look at the comp, see how things are going. All right, the competition has started, but I'm not out there filming because, well, it's a little wet. It's been raining. It's slowed down quite a bit. It was raining pretty hard earlier, but it's still raining a bit, and I just don't want to get out there and get soaking wet. So I'm gonna hang out for a little bit, and then I'll probably get out there. Stop! It was supposed to get better. It keeps getting worse. I don't like this. Don't get me wrong, I love drifting in the rain, but I was just hoping for a nice clear weather day to go drive. All right, it stopped raining enough for me to get out here and shoot some video now, so I'm hanging out with all the media guys. Good. We've got Justin Bauer in the Mustang and Brandon Goodman in the 1UZ S13. Two of the most talented drivers I've seen out of these grassroots events, that's for sure. On the 1JZ S14. Yeah. That was not Selwa's best run, but I think he's struggling a little bit. He's got a single big turbo, so the single big turbo makes it a little difficult to spool, and so when it spools it hits and he kicks sideways. So I think that he's struggling with that, but I don't know, we'll see. Now Selwa's about to lead. Here we go, Selwa with the lead. Oh, BMW spins out. All Selwa has to do is finish the run without spinning, and he's got this. Oh. Looks like they're gonna do it one more time with these two. is... All right, here we go. Coming around that front clip. Big gap here. All right, here we go. Solo leading this time. Great follow by Andy here. Oh man! Oh! Yeah! That was good. That was a really good follow. That was awesome. All right. We got Wade Smith leading in the Old Spice looking S14. Justin following in the Miata. Yeah, look at Justin keeping it tight. Yeah. Here we go. Now we got the Miata. Oh. What just happened?
Ball start, maybe?
What just happened?
He just lost. He
Did the transmission just let go in the Miata?
Huh?
No.
Yeah, I think he lost second.
When he launched it, all Black slowed down.
Oh no, his rear end's gone.
That rear end is locking up, isn't it?
He done.
Oh no! Dustin, what happened?
I blew out my counter shaft on my trans, so I lost first, second, fifth, and reverse. I had already showed up without third. So.
No!
I got fourth. I clutch kicked around, but
Oh!
But you know, I feel like I had him pretty good.
Yeah, dude, your follow was pretty good. That was really good. I think that you're on it, and then
It happens. I knew it was gonna happen at some point. I'm rough on the trans.
Dustin's another one of the Drift Week homies. Except he was driving the bright yellow car. He just blew up his transmission. That's it, just fourth gear. He's done, because that sucks, because that was a really good chase. Okay, the comp is happening down here, but I just noticed people are driving on this section of the track, and then there's a flagger. Ooh, there's a flagger up there. So I'm gonna go do some fun runs down in this section of the track since I can. I gotta channel my inner Luke Fink and throw a super wild entry. I got the green flag. We're gonna go for it. Remember, don't be afraid of using angle. I want to throw a backy, but I keep diving too hard into the water. Either I need more speed or a later entry. Maybe I'll do a later entry because, you know, I'm a little scared of speed sometimes. It's like a private track for me. It's just me going lap after lap after lap. Okay, that was fun. I like doing the Scandinavian flick into it, the super hard Scandinavian flick. Let's do that again. Like that! Yeah! Oh, my steering wheel bolt, I still haven't tightened that down. All right. Yeah! I'm getting it. I'm pretty sure I'm doing reverse entries out here, man. Looks like the show's over, so I'll pull off now. Oh, that was fun. I'll just pull right here. That's it for today. I look like I got a little sunburn. I did get a gift today from somebody. I'm actually really excited about this. There was a dude that was like, hey, you drive that red 86, right? And I was like, yeah. And he handed me this. I was like, oh, thanks, dude. So I have a red 86 hatchback Hot Wheels now. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Here's some links and stuff to like my channel. Subscribe to that, and probably a video here. So I don't know which side it ends up on. Hey, check out a video and like, comment, subscribe, share, all that stuff. Thanks everybody. And yeah, come drifting with me.